आप अभी ना कंसिस्टेंटली नहीं डालते हो, और जब मैं रेगुलरली डालती हूँ कोई तारीफ नहीं करता है मेरी।
Very good. You're realizing that you're getting older.
Finally, by the way, we have insurance. मेरी बिल्डिंग में शाहरुख आया था, मालूम है? You don't choose love, it chooses you.
India's largest variety of instant coffee flavors.
अभी हम become a light packer.
Oh.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an episode of Hustle with Sal, where you and I, we hustle together. It's Saturday and the hustle doesn't end because I have woken up early to get dressed. Early मतलब 11 बजे, but मुझे नहीं उठना था 11 बजे. I wanted to sleep as much as possible because my body is so tired. I've had a very hectic week if you've been following up with the vlogs, and I really want to sleep. But unfortunately, it was not in the cards because अब हम जा रहे हैं एक private lunch पे with Vogue and Ajmal perfumes, and I really want to dress up and go. And it's a private lunch, it's not just an open event, so I didn't want to skip it. I'm very tired, but I've done this beautiful makeup, and अभी makeup करके मुझे बहुत ऐसा अच्छा लग रहा है. I've done a reverse wing liner and that looks so nice. So I've done a very matte look. मैंने पूरा Get Ready With Me shoot किया है, तो आपको सारे details उधर मिल जाएंगे on my shorts. But अभी we are wearing this dress. Let me show you in the mirror. This is the dress we are wearing. It's from Miyake. It looks really nice. And मैंने एकदम chunky gold accessories किए हैं. Chunky. Let's take an Uber and go because ये काफी दूर है. मुझे गाड़ी चलाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है, तो we'll go Uber Black. I already have so much perfume on myself, like whatever I've tried. This is my least favorite one. My favorite is 5 and 4. This is 3. 5 is so too good. The dessert is the best. I'm staying for it now.
Chocolate dessert is to die.
Guys, this dessert is a piece of art.
1 hour later.
You guys, this event was phenomenal. Like, the word I have is phenomenal. It was so well thought of, so well curated. I'm so glad I went because सुबह मुझसे उठा भी नहीं जा रहा था when I was getting ready for this event. I didn't even feel like getting up, and I got up, I got dressed, and I went, and it was amazing. Like, every single perfume, so they've launched Untold Stories. There are 5 chapters, so 5 perfumes, and there's a chapter, like every chapter is made by a different master perfumer from like a different part of the world. So they have their own story. So they've told the perfumer's story कि why they've mixed those ingredients together to make that perfume. And Ajmal perfumes, if you know my Nia by Ajmal, which I always recommend to you all, जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है, जो इतनी affordable category में like entry level product है. These are more premium, like they are a very old brand. Okay, Ajmal perfumes is a UAE based very big brand. In 1951 का brand है, तो ऐसा नहीं कि अभी आया है या कुछ. So they have like a full legacy of perfumes and such a well thought of event because हर एक meal जो वो लोग ला रहे थे, उससे पहले they were telling us about the chapter, that particular chapter perfume, कौन बनाया, क्यों बनाया, क्या है वो perfume में. फिर वो खाने में we could experience वो सारे notes and taste, and the food was actually so filling. Like the main course and the dessert was filling and actually good, and even the decor over there, जो cherries, figs, oranges वगैरह रखे थे, वो सब भी हम खा सकते थे. Like in this थाली, they actually gave us an extra थाली to bring fruit home. So what a beautiful, well curated event. Like I feel like now, if you remember my Disney event that I had attended, even that was like a proper sit down dinner, and I feel like we're moving towards these kind of events where it's not just come click pictures. This is such a nice bonding experience also. You get to meet all the people, you sit down with them, have a full meal and enjoy, and it was amazing. I smell incredible. I shouldn't have put perfume on you because the place smells so good. मेरे nose में वही सब fragrance है, मेरे हाथ दोनों हाथ अलग अलग खुशबू, and it is so long wearing. Like chapter 4 and chapter 5 are my favorite. I'm gonna keep all of these perfumes because I think they're a mood. All of them are amazing, all of them are unique, and I'm not even gonna give my mother because I know she's gonna want it because it's so good. Even my dad is gonna want it because genuinely so good. Each perfume is so good.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It's not morning, it's afternoon, of course. You all know on Sundays I wake up super late and I'm getting dressed already because I'm going to mom's house. I really miss my family, literally sitting next to them. I live literally 10 minutes away, but I barely get to spend time with my parents. And Sabrina to never. Literally, I don't know when I saw my sister last and spent time with her because life is so busy for both of us. So today she's there at mummy's house. She's come, so I'm going there. I can't believe we've grown up so much that you have to take time out to meet your parents. Like, I hate that. But yeah, I'm still in half sleep. मैंने अब भी अपनी coffee बस थोड़ी सी खत्म की. I got the energy to talk to you all in the vlog. It's Sunday and usually Sundays I don't do much or just upload my vlog for y'all. So I have my vlog already ready and I just have to check it and edit थोड़ा सा portion. मुझ पे copyright strike आया है थोड़े portion पे, तो I'm going to cut that portion out and then put it up for y'all because it's Sunday. Sunday is our vlog day. I don't think you're watching this vlog on Sunday, but I've been very regular, guys. Where is my credits for being regular? जब मैं irregular होती हूँ तो सब आ जाते हैं कि आप अभी ना consistently नहीं डालते हो, और जब मैं regularly डालती हूँ कोई तारीफ नहीं करता है मेरी. This is very unfair. This is biasness, okay? Amongst everything else that I have to do, not meeting my family, but I'm meeting y'all. So please थोड़ा सा तारीफ कर लो comments में, तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा मेरे को कि मैं consistently vlog डाल रही हूँ. But yeah, that's that. Getting ready, putting some sunscreen on my face. I put the Ordinary's Niacinamide and I put the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. Actually, a lot of my good serums are over, which is surprising. I have my Eucerin one in the other bathroom. I need to shift it here because मेरे सारे pigmentation के serums खत्म हो गए. And after the peeling, I got like acne जो बाहर आ गया, तो उसको अभी pigmentation serum से ही ठीक करना पड़ेगा. But overall, skin's healthy. Like skin's texture has improved a lot, and I don't feel any bumpiness के अंदर कोई pimple बचा हुआ है. जितना था ना सब निकल गया peel के बाद. तो I like that. I can go for another session to my dermat like 15 days later and just get another tri-beam done to like lighten the marks, but I won't do that right now because I'm traveling very soon. I'm just going for a short getaway, so I'm going to be packing also tonight for that. So yeah, let's get ready and go. Guys, I completely forgot to tell you all कि कल event के बाद क्या हुआ. So I came home and I started crying. Okay, I had the worst mood swings ever. I just got home and Fudge and Satyam were not home, so I was lonely. And then it hit me कि Fudge नहीं है, तो मैं suddenly रोने लगी. And मैं इतना रो रही थी कि मुझे workout था evening में. मैं yoga mat पे भी रो रही थी. And because the perfume was so strong on my body, like I had sprayed so many different perfumes on my body, and वो मैं योगा करते समय भी I could smell it, तो मुझे और headache हो रहा था और मैं और रो रही थी. And it was not making any sense because I was completely fine and there was no reason for me to cry at all. And suddenly I'm like so emotional and so moody and so everything, and then it hit me that perfumes can be mood regulators. They can actually regulate your hormones and your mood and disrupt your hormones and your mood. And I'm not saying that those perfumes are bad, but I definitely overdid it. I overdid the perfumes I sprayed on my body and the surrounding. The 3 घंटा मैं वो इवेंट में बैठी थी, तो 3 घंटा मुझे सारे परफ्यूम्स मतलब मैंने इनहेल किए, प्लस मैं अपनी बॉडी पे लगा के ट्रैवल की 2 घंटा गाड़ी में विद दैट परफ्यूम ऑन माई बॉडी, विद सो मेनी डिफरेंट परफ्यूम्स इन माई बॉडी, एंड आई ऑलरेडी हैड वन परफ्यूम. सो इट वाज सो क्रेजी दैट आई वाज जस्ट क्राइंग माय एंटायर. देन आई हैड हेडेक एंड देन मैं रात को 11 बजे इतना जल्दी सो गई विद अ हेडेक. सो इट वाज रियली क्रेजी टू मी दैट एक्चुअली माय मूड गॉट डिसरप्टेड ड्यू टू दिस. हैज हैपेंड टू मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई डोंट नो इट्स एवर हैपेंड टू एनी ऑफ यू. व्हेन आई टोल्ड मम्मी, शी टोल्ड मी हाँ ऐसा होता है, you have to be very careful with perfumes, not overdo it and not mix perfumes for this very reason. Like perfume market in India is exploding and we're all so obsessed with perfumes. So I thought that I should let you know that this is also something that happened to me and I could not put a finger to it. I don't know why I had mood swings because I'm not PMSing. मेरे periods भी खत्म हो गए, अब भी खत्म हो गए. I'm completely fine otherwise. But suddenly I started crying and I was like lonely and मैं रो रही हूँ and I'm like रीत नहीं है, फज्जू भी नहीं था घर पे, मैं अकेली पड़ गई, ये वो करके मैं रो रही हूँ, फिर मेरा सर दुख रहा है, मैं रात को सर दर्द करके मैं सो गई, रोते रोते सो गई. And then in the morning I'm like perfume. I overdid the perfume. Definitely they are hormone regulators. They messed with my hormones, they messed with my happy hormone, and they like my dopamine definitely went down, and whatever happened like psychologically in the brain, but it happened. It definitely happened. And if you have had a similar experience, I would love to know कि I'm not the only psycho that had this, because it happened to me for the first time कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ मेरे साथ. मैं परफ्यूम लगा के मेरे मूड स्विंग्स होने लगे. But it wasn't just one perfume, right? So it makes sense. I put like so many perfumes on my body when I was at the event, and I was also inhaling the perfume they had at the event, so could be potentially possible. But yeah, I loved the perfumes too much, so I'm definitely not gonna wear them. But definitely put only one at a time, not all 5 on my body at the same time. Right now I'm just gonna apply a body mist, हल्का सा मेरा 1000 wishes, थोड़ा सा simple सा. And now मम्मी ने मुझे strictly बोला है कि skin पे मत लगा, सिर्फ कपड़ों पे लगा. Perfume, mist, everything सिर्फ कपड़ों पे लगा. Don't don't put it on your underarms also, don't put anywhere. I'm not that sweaty and stinky normally. I'm not prone to a lot of sweat. That's okay with me if I don't put underarm roll on, but I like to put antiperspirants. So mom's like, just put it on your kapda, don't put it on your body. क्योंकि ऐसा हुआ है अभी एक बार मेरे साथ, कभी वापस हुआ तो. That's it. ये मुझे आपको बताना था. Let's go. Today, along with going to mom and catching up with her, I am also going to go to the Airtel showroom. मेरा एक सिम कार्ड जो है वो WhatsApp पे चलता ही नहीं, तो वो एक सिम कार्ड वर्क सिम है, उसको डीएक्टिवेट करके दूसरा सिम कार्ड लेना है मुझे. नया नंबर ही लेना है बेसिकली. एंड फजी, लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो. एंड मेरे सारे फोन्स का स्क्रैच गार्ड निकल गया. सारे फोन्स पे स्क्रैच गार्ड लगाना है. तो मैं एक टोट बैग लेके आ, उसमें आई विल पुट ऑल द सामग्री. हाँ, लैपटॉप लेना है मुझे क्योंकि व्लॉग डालने का दिन है आज. आई ड्रॉप, यू पुट आई ड्रॉप. दूसरा वाला डाला हो गया. दोनों आई ड्रॉप हो गए. मैं बच्ची की आंख बंद रखो, आंख बंद रखो. मैं बच्ची की आंख बंद रखो. Shake hand, give me. Shake hand. Such a clean boy you became. Mama's clean boy. Who's Mama's clean boy? Shake hand, give me. गुस्सा जो आता है ना नहाने के बाद फज्जू को, गुस्सा. Where we going?
चिकन में खाना नहीं खाता है.
खाया ना अभी.
खाना खिलाया.
वेरी गुड. Eat your num num.
नहाने से पहले ही खा सकता है, नहीं तो नहाने के बाद ये खाने वाला नहीं है. कितना भी कोशिश करो.
What is this, Faji? Give shake hand. Good boy. You shake hand. Good boy. Let's go. Let's go. We are going to Ishu. Going to meet Ishu? Look at this. Yes, Abu. Yes. Let's go. Mama, take her novel. I started reading my romance novels again because my romance partner is not with me. तो फिर books में ही romance ढूंढना पड़ता है. चलो, let's go, guys. I'm taking the perfumes for them to just smell and experience what I experienced yesterday. These pants from Kava are really nice, guys. मैं और colors खरीदूंगी इसमें. मैं black में ही और 2-3 लेने का सोच रही हूँ. चलो चलो, okay okay. Fajju's excitement to go out. चलो. Who's going to wear his leash now? मम्मी के घर जाने हम लोग इतना तो नानी. It's like full feels, okay? जब हम नानी के घर जाते थे तो हम इतना सामान लेके जाते थे. अभी मैं फज्जू की नानी के घर जा रही हूँ तो इतना सामान लेके जा रही हूँ. जितना मेरे फ्रिज में सब बचा कुछ जो खाना, एक्स्ट्रा पीआर, एवरीथिंग. फजी, where we going? To meet Ishu? Yeah, अभी to meet Ishu.
A few moments later.
अब मम्मी ये व्हाइट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ग्रेनाइट. अब भी मेरे को नोटिस नहीं, इतने टाइम से ला ले, अब भी देखूंगी. आज तुम लोग ने कपड़ा नहीं रखे हो ना इस पे. तुम शाही सीख बनाई आज अलग तरीके में. एंड मटन करी.
मटन निहारी, that is.
ओहो.
Nihari.
Many hours later.
टोपी चश्मा. अरे, you drop your टोपी. Who's going to put for you? Don't make it wet. What's the point of टोपी then? अरे अरे अरे, ये तो लेके गीला कर दिया. तो क्या? What is the point of it? Oh.
The next day.
What's up, guys? I am shooting. It's Monday morning से I was doing admin work. I'm trying a new foundation which I really like. वो मैं reels और shorts पे डालूंगी. But the foundation का color is not matching me perfectly. And I am wearing this beautiful dress. It's from Miyake. I'm going to link it for you niche in the description box. My bedroom vanity is a mess. It always is. Today's schedule is mainly shooting because I am traveling soon. I want to shoot not just today but tomorrow and day after also. Every day I'm going to be shooting थोड़ा content ताकि मैं छुट्टी पे actually छुट्टी ले सकूं and I can just be posting all this content. So I need to properly plan out my content in the evening. अभी I'm just trying to shoot as much as possible. It's 3 o'clock till 5 o'clock मेरे से जितना होता है I will shoot. Then I will just segregate, sort it out, give it to my editor, do all that stuff. Foundation I tried on camera over there and then concealer I'm just gonna use thoda sa. The concealer is darker than the foundation so you can tell that the foundation is not my shade. ये concealer मेरा right shade है but the foundation is not my right shade.
Later that same evening.
What's up guys? आज थोड़ी ज़्यादा इनएक्टिव थी, ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं एक्चुअली, सिर्फ शूट्स थे और मीटिंग्स थी और बहुत ज़्यादा प्लानिंग चल रही है नेक्स्ट लॉन्च के लिए जो नेक्स्ट ईयर होने वाला है, बट उसका सारा काम हमने ऑलरेडी शुरू कर दिया बिकॉज उसका प्रोडक्शन टाइमलाइन काफ़ी टाइम लेगा. सो लॉट्स ऑफ बिहाइंड द सीन्स व्लॉगिंग चल रही है जो आपको मैं बाद में लॉन्च के बाद जो आपको बताती हूँ वो वाली व्लॉगिंग चल रही है. एंड या स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम डूइंग दैट, डूइंग मल्टीपल अदर थिंग्स and shooting content. Like I told you that I'm shooting pre-filming before I leave for my travels. I wanted to pack also today but I didn't get a chance to pack, and otherwise I'm pretty much caught up. I'm just going to revise my task list and go to bed. And Sharon didn't come today. She's suffering from her period cramps, so she didn't come today to work. So that's why itna vlog nahi ho paya. That's why Bonita was helping me with all my shoots. This is my reading light by the way जो मैं read करने use करती हूँ आजकल. I'm reading the Caught Up book again. It's a cute love story of a dad. Let me read the back for you. Kai and Miller's love story. A single dad starting pitcher for Chicago's MLB team, stretched too thin, and I don't want help raising my son. Each of the previous nanny, basically like a nanny. Sounds very kinky, but it's not kinky. It's fun and it's cute and it's a love story. And I'm reading it because my love story is non-existent. So right now my love story is not there. It's not there. Okay, it's in Assam. So my long distance love story is not there. So that's why I'm reading love story again. And then I'll go to bed. Okay, bye. Good night. Whenever I'm talking to all फज्जू मेरे को ऐसा दिखता है कि मेरे से बात करने का टाइम नहीं है औरत के पास, बट फोन के साथ पूरा दिन चपट 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 करती रहती है. हाँ भाजी, you wanna come up? Coming up to Nini Make? Come, I take you up. Come up to Nini Make.
The next day.
Good morning guys. I'm having my kakadi in the morning. It's such a strange thing. I love having my morning coffee, but अभी मैं strictly advertise my agency. Wow. यश ने बोला है. It's because I take so much stress. He's made some modifications in my nutrition plan so that my stress level goes down, because due to stress I used to get a lot of bloating, puffiness, illness, and especially after everything that happened in Delhi with me, उसके बाद से मेरा cortisol level बहुत high हो गया था and मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब हो गई थी. So I had gained a lot of weight, I was becoming puffier, bloated. So now my morning routine, he's like, if you wake up and you immediately have coffee, your brain goes into sharp, like focus, adrenaline, fight or flight, like, you know, you're focused and sharp and you get that amazing kick to work, but you need to have a slow morning. So even though I'm working, he's not letting me have coffee the first thing I wake up. He's like, have your kakadi, hydrate with namak ka pani, take it easy, take a slow morning, and then let your cortisol level, like, don't let the stress get to you, and then take coffee and then work. So I have to wait for my cup of coffee. You know, I love my coffee. So I rukti hu fatafat kakadi kha, and then immediately I go and make my black coffee, and then I have it, and then I get to work. Like, black coffee helps me focus so nicely. Like, the whole tagline of Impulse is experience the hustle, because truly is the hustle fuel for me. Like, once I drink my coffee, the next 2-3 hours I work so efficiently. It's like my razor sharp focus on everything I'm doing. Even when I used to study, it used to help me to study so like well, and that's why I particularly love my black coffee. वहीं से पढ़ाई के दिनों से मेरा black coffee का प्यार जगा है. मेरी आंखों की नींद कॉफी से ही जाएगी guys.
Many hours later.
Happy birthday to you. बोनाइटा के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
To be. मैं निकाल दी वो.
बोनाइटा to be, bride to be. बोनाइटा to be क्यों लिखा है केक
मैं
पे?
इसको dash करके to be added on the cake, तो उसने शायद अच्छा पूरा नहीं लिखा.
Very nice. बोनाइटा बुड्ढी हो रही है. Faji, you also want to come? Come up. Come sit with Bonaita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Bonaita. Happy birthday to you.
एक बार फर्स्ट लिख कर जो.
जिम से आने के बाद इमीडिएटली तो केक खिला. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Birthday. Very good. You're realizing that you're getting older. Now the calories will count, Fudge. अभी calories will be visible on your hips. छोटा था तो खा लेता था थोड़ा थोड़ा केक. कितनी चॉकलेट खाया है वो बचपन में?
मैं थोड़ा 8 साल का हो गया.
Yes, 7 counting.
7 खाने लगा. I'm a little more conscious about my health.
Health conscious like his mama. जो अखारिया को कॉल नहीं किया, अभी उसको फोमो आएगा. Actually केक कटिंग तो हो गया, बट कल बोनाइटा का बर्थडे, तो देखो कितना प्यार से बैठा है फज्जू उसके साथ.
कितने आराम से बैठा हुआ है उसके साथ.
फज्जू who's there? दादा वे दादा फजी वे दादा फजी वे दादा कौन? अब वो दरवाजे को देखिए. उसको लग रहा है अश्विन की आवाज रीत है. देखो उसको लगा वो रीत है, तुम्हारी आवाज आ रही है. He's gone to search for you. मिला मिला नहीं तो सुसु.
2 hours later.
Okay, let's see if I can tell the difference between our.
Later that same evening.
What's up guys? I feel like you all see me in the morning and then you all see me in the night in this vlog and you're like, सारा क्या हो रहा है? Vlog कर रहा है कि नहीं? जो vlog हो रहा है वो मैं आपको अभी नहीं दिखा सकती. That is all I can tell you. Okay? I have been vlogging but it's not a part of this vlog. It's all going to come up when the launch happens and we've been working very hard towards the launch. So many things to decide, so much back and forth, decisions to be made, contacts, communication, marketing, press. Like there's so much that I feel like the scope of work has only tripled with the time as it goes. Like we are turning 4 on 3rd December. Like Impulse Coffees is going to be 4 years old. I can't believe I've been a founder for 4 years. Pagal ho gayi. I've learned so much in this journey and there is so much that I want to apply, so much I've learned, so much I want to translate now with the new launch. Like mistakes I've made in the past I don't want to make anymore. Finally, by the way, we have insurance. We have stock and transit, 2 insurances because recently I also heard कि Flipkart का टेम्पो में से माल चोरी हो गया, 5 करोड़ का माल चोरी हो गया. And then if it's transit में तो फिर warehouse का insurance doesn't cover it. Like stock insurance doesn't cover transit insurance. So stock insurance only covers theft, fire, what else? Theft, fire, floods and tornado, all that natural calamity stuff and theft also. And transit insurance covers transit में कुछ भी होता है. तो ये दोनों भी मैंने करवा लिया अभी बस जितने प्रीमियम का कराया उतना ही, बस उतना ही. अल्लाह ना करे कभी भी नुकसान हो, बस नुकसान ना हो. बट मैंने इंश्योरेंस करा. It's like you can be prepared for one thing and then something else will hit you. Like when I went to Delhi, I actually bought Swarovski jewelry and went to Delhi. Because these rings I always wear, these everyday diamonds that I wear on a daily basis. तो मैंने इसके बदले Swarovski लिया था. Just one day before Delhi to wear like my rings and all when I'm traveling क्योंकि मेरा उससे पहले के travel में diamond गुम हो गया था. तो I was like नहीं सबक सीख ले, अब हम diamonds के साथ नहीं travel करेंगे. But अब ये हो गया तो I'm like it's always something new, like right? It's so easy for people to give ज्ञान. Like when the fire happened everyone was like but why don't you have insurance? And then when I wore the bracelet in London they were like how did you wear real jewelry in London? I'm like बेटा तुम बाहर से बैठ के ज्ञान बड़ा आसानी से दे लेते हो. मतलब कभी लाइफ में कुछ घूमो फिरो बिजनेस चलाओ तब आपको पता चलेगा कि हाथ से तो अभी एवरीडे इंसिडेंट हो गया है. बट एनीवे लेट्स नॉट डाइव इनटू दैट. इट इज लिटरली 11:45 इन द नाइट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गो प्रे द कुरान. मैं लिप बाम क्यों लगा रही हूँ, मुझे वजू करना है तो आई एम गोइंग टू गो प्रे कुरान नाउ बिफोर बेड. ओके टुमारो वी पक्का हैव टू पैक बिकॉज डे आफ्टर टुमारो आई एम लीविंग. सो कल तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, ऑप्शन ही क्या. मैं सोची थी आज रात को करूँ. मे बी इफ आई हैव एनर्जी आफ्टर रीडिंग द कुरान यूजुअली आई फील zen so I want to go to sleep. If I have energy I will remove my outfits and stuff and keep. That's it. Let's try. Let's see.
The next day.
Good morning guys. It is the next day. It's not morning, it's afternoon. I'm coming from my morning workout. ये सारे कपड़े मैंने रात को निकाल लिए थे जो हम पैक करेंगे for my trip. इसमें से भी शॉर्टलिस्ट करना है क्योंकि सिर्फ कितने दिन का ट्रिप है शरण? 4 night 5 days. So of course not taking everything. But I'm going to a very important panel right now. The FICCI Young Summit Leaders panel. Very good people on the panel with me. I'm very excited for this. Gotta get ready for it. And I was thinking that only Sharon. Yeah. That dress, yeah. Yeah, that dress with the blazer, yeah. So that dress and this blazer and I'm doing a sleek bun only. मुझे ये hair style अच्छी लग रही है, इसी को मैं थोड़ा modify करूँगी. For my look, I have couple of meetings to take and I have not eaten anything since morning. So let's eat something, get ready for the event and take all the meetings. This is not looking that great. I had just mentioned the Fix My Curls stick in my video and I wanted to show you all that in action कि मैं उसको कैसे use करती हूँ just to sleek back. Can you see the shine it adds without it being too waxy? So just that to just tame away all the frizz. तो मेरा bun एकदम sleek bun moment देखिए. I'm not wearing this outfit. I'm not vibing with it. I'm going to change. My neck burns are very visible. जो गोवा में जल गई ना मेरी गला दिख रहा है आपको, ये जल गया है पूरा, ये पूरा अभी flake हो रहा है. So I don't want to wear anything tube. And my camera, by the way, gave up on us. So this is the 14 Pro Max that I'm vlogging from. The quality isn't the best. I'm sorry about that. क्योंकि ये DJI के products ना जितने technology में hi-fi है उतनी जल्दी वो give up कर देते. This is the second time my camera is getting spoiled and this time it's not my fault. The last time I dropped it, so it was my fault. This time the display, I will show it to you. I'll show you what's the problem with the Osmo. Camera चालू ही नहीं हो रहा है देखो. It's अपने आप getting shut. The toggle on the display has gotten spoiled. तो vertical में चल रहा है, but horizontal करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, गिर रहा है. And this is not my fault. So as tech advanced as DJI products are, they give a lot of thrust. Like my mic also recently, the C-type adapter in the mic, जो phone के अंदर डालते हैं वो खराब हो गया. Then we had to send it back and get it done. They do get back to you and they do give you replacements and stuff of the product, but they're very, very slow and they don't respond back to you fatafat. So that is a thrust. So now I don't have the camera to take with me on my trip. I am going to be taking both my phones. Luckily, I didn't sell the 14 Pro Max yet. I still have 14 and 16 both. तो जब एक phone charge हो रहा है, दूसरा phone use कर because I'm calling, texting, and doing vlogging, everything from these two phones, right? So anyway, this is my first coffee of the day. I went for an early morning workout, so I didn't have coffee before that. I was on the go since morning. The day before the travel is always the most hectic because we got to pack, we got to finish our meetings, we got to hand over all the tasks to the team. There's lots to do, and Sharon and I are both going. So yeah, it's going to be a lot. This event is like the last panel of the day for the Young Leaders Summit 2025 by FICCI, and this last panel is by influencers and actors. So I was thinking I'll do a more casual moment. I'm doing white formal pants and I'm doing a brown top जो मैंने उस दिन Addicted to You वाले वीडियो में पहना था, and then I'll just do minimal jewelry. Yeah, I'm done with my makeup. I just have mascara left. That's it. I'm not doing anything on the eyes. Let me change my outfit and be right back. Alright guys, I have changed into this cute brown top. Let's accessorize quickly and then take some meetings and bounce fadafad. We can go a little early, but we can definitely not go late for this thing. And traffic bhi avoid ho jayega jaldi. This is looking too much. Party
No
vibes.
neck piece.
I know, no neck piece, but this is not giving panel discussion. This is giving... It's the time. Disco Shakira style.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm loving my makeup. When I was doing it, I was not liking it, but I'm loving it. This lip combo is the only lip combo I'm wearing these days. It's one dark brown lipstick and then a light brown lipstick. Signal just start हुआ. ये दोनों lipstick है, मैं इधर pop up करती हूँ. Link description में डालती हूँ. मुंबई में इतने signals हैं ना, there is something you can do at every one of them. I can do my full face makeup through the signals I get in Bombay. But this is my favorite route. The SV road, Link Road is the favorite route. I don't like highway traffic. Now we are passing Amitabh Ji's house. Guys, मेरी building में शाहरुख आया था, मालूम है? Oh my god! I didn't tell you all this. My gym coach, not my gym coach, the guy in the gym coach told me that Shahrukh's bodyguard, personal bodyguard, lives in the same building as me, and he works out in the afternoon with, like, sometimes I clash with him, and so I know that he's there, okay? But then I'm not creepy like that. I'll be like, oh, make me miss. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, he works out, we work out, it's chill. I know he's there. It was his birthday, and Shahrukh came to our building. Literally, he was in the same building. We were breathing the same air for 15 minutes. He came for 15 minutes for the cake cutting, but nobody told
if
me.
you ask him, he might even arrange a meeting. Not a meeting, like hi.
Next time I'm working out with the body, I'll be like, you know what? I think Shahrukh wants to promote his next movie on my channel, Bata Collab. Dude, you know, I'm not a big fangirl over anybody but Shahrukh. Like, of course, right? Of course, like, he's Shahrukh Khan. वो सुन के मुझे इतना धोखा लगा मालूम है कि वो बिल्डिंग में है और मुझे नहीं मिला. मतलब ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? हम मन्नत तक जाते तो वैसे भी नहीं मिलते हैं, तो तुम बिल्डिंग तक आके हमको नहीं मिले, मतलब तो बहुत अनफेयर हो गया. इन दिस लाइफ टाइम वंस तो आई वांट टू मीट हिम. That is my one big manifestation. Inshallah. I met Suhana. So that is also something. Suhana looks exactly like Gauri Khan and Aryan looks exactly like Shah Rukh Khan. I think if I meet Aryan also तो ऐसा लगेगा कि थोड़ा सा शाहरुख मिल गया. नहीं यार शाहरुख से मिल गया.
I stepped down with Rimjum yesterday and I told her कि Sara said this. शाहरुख खान है. Then she's like, हाँ वैसे बहुत celebrities रहते हैं ना इधर आज ये एरिया में काफी वैसे surrounded by so many. This is Farah Khan lives opposite and everyone. So even Remo lives and then Shreyaka was behind only. Johnny Kapoor was feature. I was thinking क्यों नहीं one glimpse was enough, no? But I'm just thinking the people who actually saw what
These people, the security and all of the building they went and I was like, who will tell us?
crazy. लोग अनाउंस भी करना चाहिए था
I swear. They like हम सब गए थे मैडम उनसे मिलने 15 मिनट हमको मिला
भाई 5 मिनट 15 सेकंड भी नहीं.
मैं रीत को भी बोली है. He was like
Reet is not a celebrity person. Reet is no luxury.
पहाड़ पर्सन पहाड़ों में रहता है पहाड़ों में रहना है उसको. कितने अलग है ना रीत और मैं. कितने अलग है. Like sometimes I describe it and like कौन है ये आदमी.
You have to think because you chose.
You don't choose love, it chooses you. I didn't choose. मैं मेरे पास गार्डन में लड़के थोड़े थे उसमें साला ये वाला चाहिए मुझे. मन्नत आ गए. मैं शाहरुख तो नहीं बिल्डिंग में आके भी नहीं मिला तो उसके घर के साथ
आ गए हम लोग इधर शाहरुख.
Amit comes, you know, every birthday down to stand.
I know friends. My friends also used to go. कभी समझ में नहीं आया भाई लोग जो शाहरुख खान के फैंस होंगे उन लोग फिर कवरेज से बोलेंगे.
नहीं, I mean it makes sense. I told my father also I want to go. He's like धक्कम दुखी होगी लोग तेरे को टच करेंगे तेरे को पसंद नहीं आएगा. Like yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I wanted to go. शाहरुख के लिए मैं भी खड़ी हो जाऊँ इस ऑडियंस में.
ये लोग हाँ he comes no हाँ बाहर
he comes
आता है
out,
ना
no?
हाँ.
But the people we are very rowdy नीचे ना.
Yeah, that crowd is very bad.
Before we begin this session, I just want to set context here because a lot of founders these days are turning into content creators and a lot of content creators are now turning into founders. We have quite a panel here. What inspired you from performing to starting your own brand? Can we understand the journey?
I want to start by saying that I love being the odd one out on this panel and it is a woman's world eventually and it feels absolutely amazing to sit next to three very, very powerful women. I have an Indian agave brand. It's called Gunda. That means you could be a trailblazer like all these three women, right? They're Gundas in their own way. Why just the boys? Brand stands for everything fine, vice and nice. And we started with agave. We're in energy drinks right now. We've already got a couple of other IPRs that we're working on. And yeah, that's just the beginning.
Now we'll come to Janvi.
As a young content creator now, and I think credibility nowadays is not just limited to the consistency of the content, but consistency of the consciousness, and that's what I am trying to do with my brand also, Sattva. And infusing the scriptures and Indian culture and heritage to a modern storytelling is a very conscious thought that I want to revive that culture back. That maybe we have somewhere lost that, and we are not in touch with those roots now.
From being a content creator into being a founder, because as a founder you have to deal with logistics, business dealings, day-to-day balance sheets. How do you manage that kind of overwhelming work while still focusing on content creation?
That's a very good question. Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Firstly, I'm so honored to be on this panel, I must say. I've used House of Beauty before. I have watched all your shows that you've been on and I watch your content. So it's such a beautiful panel to be on. So Impulse Coffees is a gourmet flavored instant coffee brand and I started this. Now it's going to be 4 years on 3rd December and I've been creating content for 8 years now. So my platform was primarily YouTube और YouTube पे content बनाना जैसे मुझे आदत सी हो गई है अभी. I feel like that is always going on and the more I started growing my business, the more I started creating for my business and for my customers, I fell more in love of the founder process. The blend we use is extremely premium and we are using only USDA certified organic flavors. So all our flavors have a beautiful aroma, aftertaste, and today Impulse has India's largest variety of instant coffee flavors. We have 10 flavors to offer. So I'm very passionate about the brand, about growing and making that cup of coffee an experience for people. कि घर पे you can sit at home and brew that cup of coffee, and I'm very much in touch with my audience. I think through content, what it allows me to do is to stay in touch with my community all the time by creating reels, by creating YouTube vlogs, by reading their comments non-stop. I come to know what they want, what they are looking forward to seeing. Did they like something? Did they not like something? What do they want next from us? So staying in touch with your audience and your customer firsthand is what content creation allows me to do. And I think founder life is always a hustle. So the tagline of Impulse is experience the hustle. And I think it just keeps rolling like that.
All of the big brands had very toxic ingredients in them at least 15 years ago. That's where, my desire to create something which is clean beauty, which is natural, which is holistic, but also not rooted in 5,000-year-old Ayurvedic rituals, something which is modern.
The customer feedback actually, like how the brand responded to the customer and how they maintained the customer trust.
Thank you so much. That means a lot. Thank you. My bikes.
Yes.
My bike.
Final bits. Go.
Hi, I'm Sarah Sarush. I'm an Indian YouTuber, content creator, and founder of Impulse Coffee.
2 hours later.
Guys, since I'm meeting Reet on my travel tomorrow and he needs chashma, I've come to buy chashma. He said buy basic chashma, so I came here. Reet watched.
इसको भेजना ही नहीं चाहिए था मेरे.
Yeah, he said basic chashma, so I came to Turakya for luxury chashma because of course I am me and this is the
Luxury.
yeah. He wants basic but he gets me, so also I've missed this place. I've not come here in so long. Yeah, something like that only, but full black. Something more sturdy. He's a traveler, so he bought this is the one he had in his sunglasses.
Yeah, this is exactly
Harry
it.
Potter around. यही frame है, यही shape है. यही shape है ना रेत का? नहीं क्या रहा?
There's a brown on the side of the
Brown.
Yeah, this is what it
This
is.
is what he
Yeah.
has, no? He's in the gym. But यही रीत वाला है. But then we don't want this metal.
Yeah, metal नहीं.
We don't have this plastic, full plastic frame. Oh wow, these are so cute. I don't need chashma.
But this is just frame, no? Yeah, but there's no
You
glasses.
can put whatever. It's Burberry, right?
Yeah.
My Miu Miu.
This only you have, no?
Yeah, but in black. What color? Black?
Brownish tint.
Okay, we've come to another shop because उधर कुछ मिला नहीं हमको जो अच्छा लगा. Reet got his sunglasses from here. Almost round है, ऊपर से भी round है.
No, that's too big for it.
But then ये नहीं चाहिए. Plastic frame चाहिए. Yeah, it's almost like this. ये वाले की जैसा है. हाँ, है ना?
Yeah.
This cat thing he'll not like. He wants this round end.
Yeah, see that one वो नहीं है.
छोटू. और दिखाओ ना.
But this is pink, yeah.
Yeah, this is very feminine because of this print, but this is your shape. But babe, then take this because then we don't have your shape. It's not that expensive. For this strip only. Arey babe, it's very lightweight. See na. It is.
Make me look very, very uncle. This is a very uncle print.
Huh? This is your shape, exactly your shape.
No, it's not.
See,
Mine is exact round.
full round चाहिए, full round है. भैया full round वाले दिखाना. ये है फिर.
All I want कौन सा था? Told me that one.
यही fast track वाला जो मैंने पकड़ी थी.
Yeah. This is that. This is a very.
मैं, yeah, that's what I'm saying. See, yours is exactly this. This is in the.
All I want कौन सा है?
ये blue है. Babe, I think this will work. Huh? This is Ray-Ban का shade.
This you show?
This if they had in black, no, this was perfect.
It's okay. Leave it. I'll only get it.
ठीक है, okay, fine, bye. I'm hungry.
Mission 2 failed.
Many hours later.
ये वाला सूटकेस
कितना सूटकेस हो जाएगा?
होना चाहिए ना. बड़ा सूटकेस नहीं ले रही हो यार मम्मी. रोड ट्रिप है फिर गाड़ी में.
शूज एक ही पैर जो पहन के जाएगी वही ना.
हाँ, और एक चप्पल. अभी हम become a light packer.
Oh, it's just 5 days. Let's see now if it fits in this suitcase or what.
हाइकिंग पे जाने वाली हो तो
सत्यम, ये ना
नहीं
ये
मतलब
कपड़ा.
फिर उधर तेरे को प्रॉब्लम होती है तो
क्या problem है?
लास्ट टाइम पाइप पे हाइकिंग करनी हुई थी.
नहीं, इस बार और renowned places पे जाऊंगी. वो
ये
खराब
कपड़ा ना
फालतू
इधर
जगह पे
suitcase
नहीं
पहुंचने के लिए. एक सूट रख रही है
कि वो
मैं तुमको बता रही हूँ।
हाँ, बता,
हाँ,
बता।
ये एक जोड़ी है जो चेरी ब्लॉसम वाले दिन पे मैं पहनूंगी सुबह। तो चेरी ब्लॉसम फेस्टिवल का आउटफिट मैंने सोची थी, ये डेनिम जैकेट। सत्यम, एक पूरा ना पिंक गुलाबी फूल वाला ड्रेस है, तेको पता है किधर है?
अल्लाह हाफिज। सफर की दुआ बढ़ के निकलना, अच्छे से जा, अच्छे से घूम फिर गया।
ओके,
जल्दी निकल रहा है बेटा एयरपोर्ट के लिए। एयरपोर्ट पे बहुत क्योस है, इंडिगो।
हाँ ना,
और टेक प्रॉपर विंटर वेयर, टेलिंग यू फर्स्ट ऑन।
हाँ बेटा बहुत ठंडी है उधर।
bye, love you. You want to go now only? Or going now? Go, mama, come. Go now only, na. Then he sees me go, then he gets sad. Go, Mambo, go. Come, let's go. Come on, let's go to Nanu house. Bajo, mama coming soon, soon. Who is my good boy? Who is my good boy? Who is my good boy?
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. It is quarter to 3 right now, and I am going to leave for the airport. I will see you in the next vlog with my travel with Sar coming back. I've managed to finish all my work before I'm leaving, so I am planning to not take my laptop. This is a new thing that I've started since my last holiday to Goa, that I genuinely try to cut off from work during vacations, because वैसे भी phone पे आधा काम होता है. So we are hustling on the go, but I try not to sit with my laptop in one place and be like Arjun from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Also, my my airport fit is from Pepper Official, and this is Shivi's collab, Shiv Shakti's collab with Pepper. It is so cute. It's like I called for an extra large hoodie. She's launched new hoodies in 3 colors, 3 different colors, and there's a pink, there's this blue, and it's such a nice blue, and there's a black also. So I love blue, so even the pink is really cute actually. Even the black is really nice, but the pink is also very cute. Like, I saw a video and I want to buy the pink because I think that'll look so nice on me too. So it says Pepper over here, cute design. It says grateful on the side. I really like the crescent moon swimming, and it says make a wish at the back. Can you see that? It says 1111 make a wish. So this is basically her collaboration with Pepper. This is a homegrown Indian brand, and their fabrics are incredible. I have 2 tops from Pepper which have literally lasted me through so many washes, and अभी मैं ये ट्रिप पे भी एक black racer bag लेके जा रही हूँ उनका, जो हमेशा मतलब it lasts me very very long. So I'm going to link her collaboration in the description box for you all to check out. Definitely give it a try. It's just for 2499, which I think is so good because the quality of the hoodie, like look at that fleece, it's so soft. It's a very good quality, very good price point, and love the like baggy fit that it has. This is what the entire fit looks like. So I'm 5'11" and my torso is pretty long, and it is covering like up to mid butt for me. I love the fit. I'm gonna pair it with these Kawa athleisure pants, my lip balms in my pocket, and that's the airport fit. I'll see you in the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button. For today's video, Saas Ka Shout goes to Mehek Tuli. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video's Saas Ka Shout, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to you. Also, you comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and transport my next video, Sara Squad Shout. I'll see you guys in a video. Bye guys, love you.